Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade on this 29th day of October 2025. And the setup is this. We have FOMC today every 6 weeks. The Federal Open Market Committee meets, and the pace of the market can be dramatic as it is right here. You see we had an 800 tick candle short shortly into the meeting, the press conference at the end of the FOMC meeting statement. So we had a big move down. We have failure down here, and we get our friend, the strong candle indicator, right down here. It's pointing up and is green, so it means we're going to take this candle in this direction. Now, what's unique about FOMC is the, uh, the length of the candles. You can see I expect the next candle to be somewhere between around 300 to 350 ticks long. So if we're going to pair our ATM to that, we need to have a massive ATM. And we're going to go for 40s on the first target. This may be the first time in that we've done trades of the day that we've used this ATM because the PVI says, yeah, you can go ahead and do that. So we're going for 40s on our first target. Then we're going to de-risk the trade, and then we got runners of 100 and 200. So that's the setup, and this is how it all went down today. Now, what we're going to do is we did it in the room. We're going to use a cover order because we don't want to miss this move. A lot of times it'll go up to at least 50% of where it came down from. So really about halfway up this candle, we should get up into around the 50 of the day without much of an issue. So we put a cover order on. If we get hit without a retrace, we'll just use the current candle for our stop. There's no way we're taking a trade with 300 ticks of risk on it. So this is what happened in the room today. This is the regular speed of the market. Boom. The stop is right where it is. First target's out just that fast. Now, this is the regular speed of the market. You may think I sped it up, but we did not. All right. So we got a 40 tick target. So hundreds are out, and we're going for a 200 tick target. That's going to be a little bit more. We have major brick walls in the way, but the way this market is moving, we just let it run through. And we'll go ahead and speed it up just a little bit because we don't need to be here all day. But whenever you're running into brick walls like that, we probably, in most cases, would bring that 200 tick target down, but we did not do that. And here we go again. Now, if I get taken out at break even, I have a chance to, there we go. 200 ticks are out. Guys, that is a massive, massive trade. It's $1,900 US and took 2 minutes to complete. Just to show you what we're doing today. It was crazy, um, crazy wild. But we were able to get into that trade with about 50 to 60 ticks worth of risk on you see the average candles are 350 ticks in length. So that's a massive trade. Our good friend, the strong candle indicator came through again, and it just blew through everything. So if you want to learn how to make $1,900 in 2 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.